I wanted security for my children because having been homeless, I didn't want to be back in that position with a family situation. I originally was motivated by money, but now I'm motivated by success for my children and success for my clients. It gives me a buzz. It makes me get up in the morning with my tail wagging, if you know what I mean. A social entrepreneur is a person that loves helping other people. I love wealth coaching because it enables me to help others to get in the same position as I'm in. I love sharing my knowledge because it's those little nuggets that help other people follow in my footsteps. I am at the sharp end doing what I teach. This course is the premier course in the whole of the world for unlocking your potential. Come on board with us, we'll help you secure your future.